Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink actually now reached my target of $21 for this move to the upside. That was my has been my target for the last few months for this fifth wave overall, yeah. But it still looks as if we are still moving up a little bit. The support levels are not broken yet. So no support level that are presented broke, which, you know, and the idea is obviously that as long as we're holding micro support levels, we're going to move higher, right? That makes sense. As I always say, we have some ideal targets. We can focus on them, but it's typically not a good idea to call a top in place anywhere until we break micro support levels, okay? However, the targets allow us to understand when the risk increases, the risk for a deeper pullback, because the next pullback should be a wave 2. When we look at the 4-hour chart, we basically have this 5-wave pattern to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's absolutely possible that we're now in the wave 5. At least that's my assumption. And within the wave 5, we only have 3 waves up complete so far. And you see that here if I make it a little larger. And yeah, I mean, you see we've touched now the $21 level. That, again, technically has fulfilled the overall technical requirements from a Fibonacci extension point of view for this fifth wave. However, we haven't really reached the ideal structure. Okay, so another 4-5 pattern seems likely, as mentioned yesterday, so nothing has changed. The support needs to be just slightly adjusted together with the latest swing high. So the support is now between $16.78 and $18.82. That's sort of the main idea here for another pullback zone. But I can only give you that support zone. I cannot yet confirm that we've started a pullback because, you know, the trend is still up short term. And this is literally not a target at the moment. It can become a target once we have a confirmed top in place. But at the moment, I can only highlight we've reached a key resistance level. Looks like a small 5-wave move up again. So it's possible that this third is now over. But I need to see a break back, I think a convincing break back below that green line here, which is at around $19.65 to suggest that this fourth wave has started. Again, support zones, they are not necessarily targets. It's a zone that the price needs to hold to continue with the current trend. They are designed to keep you, me, all of us on the right side of the trend. And over the last few months, as you can see here visually, that worked out nicely. Okay, it's like moving up the stairs step by step. And if we extend further more directly in a third wave, we would have to adjust the support area with the price, because these are measured as retracements, like percentage retracements of the preceding move. As soon as I have a wave 4 low in place, I can give you a target for wave 5 of 5. At the moment, the overall target area here ranges all the way up to $29.25. So the possibility still, or the, let's say, I mean, we've just literally just only entered the target area. So it still allows for further upside. The next move up above 21 could take us to $23.80. And above that level, we've got $29.25. And therefore, I also cannot yet give you a support zone for the subsequent wave 2 correction. Even though if we zoom out a little bit, we can now recognize a 5-wave pattern to the upside. Looking at the micro reveals that we might get a few more squiggles higher, okay? And only then, once we have a top in place in wave 5 of 1, I can really add a support zone for the wave 2. Again, because it's a percentage retracement of the move to the upside. And yeah, no weakness at the moment in the very short term. And micro support is defined. Next upside targets are very well defined. I don't think there is anything else to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.